Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this kind of heart. As you can see, you can make 3 different type of shape. You can make big, small or medium. Right now I am making small. So let's get into it. First you're going to take it and fold it like that. And then do it the same on the other side. Like that. And then you will do this, open it. And then fold it, take one corner and put it in the middle. And then take another corner and take it to the top. Like that. Once you're done with that, you will do and then you will do kind of like this motion on the sides. Like that. Like that, and do the same on the other side. And just like that. And now we will move on to the back, and you have to fold these like that, not all the way, just like half of the way. And then same on the sides. I kind of messed this part up, but you can fix it by doing it, adjusting it to how you want. So yeah. Just like that, you have your beautiful heart in all kind of shapes. As you can see, I made a big one, a medium one, and a small one. Bye!